Hey y'all, this is Debbie with Food Prepping Channel, and today I'm going to make a dish that I've never made before, but I'm going to try it and see how it is. I'm just kind of putting this together. I'm going to do sauerkraut and smoked sausage with boiled potatoes. I'll cook together, but I'm doing this in my Ninja Foodi, so I can't really do the sauerkraut and smoked sausage in here for as long as it takes to do the potatoes. So I'm going to do the potatoes in my Ninja Foodi first, and then I don't know what I'm going to do. I got to figure this out. But I'm going to go on and put I'm going to make these boiled potatoes, so I'm going to go on and put the lid on here. All right, let's see. All right, now, let me get you back. All right, I'm going to make sure that it's on sealing. I'm going to turn it on, and I know y'all can't see down there. It upsets me, but... All right, so I'm going to go pressure, let's see, I don't know how long, maybe 8 minutes for the boiled potatoes. I don't know. Oh, I forgot to put, all right, I'm going to have to bring y'all back. I got to take this off. I forgot to put salt in here. Okay, I put about 2 teaspoons of kosher salt in here with the potatoes. I've got this set for 8 minutes. I'm going to push start. All right, and now these potatoes are going to cook. I'm going to go and get my smoked sausage out of the refrigerator and cut that up into little pieces, and I will bring y'all back and show you that. Okay, y'all. All right, this is what I'm using. It's like Polska kielbasa, but it's smoked sausage. It's Kroger brand. I've got 2 of them. And then I've got this 2-pound bag of silver floss barrel cured sauerkraut. So I'm going to use this, and I'm going to fix this sauerkraut and smoked sausage and potatoes and see how it comes out. And you can see this is about the size that I'm cutting them in, about a ½ an inch or so, somewhere around there. Sometimes I get like this one is different size. It depends just on how my knife goes. But anyway, I'm going to cut those up and wait for the potatoes to finish in the pressure cooker, and I will bring you back. Okay, y'all, we're coming up. It's on 20 seconds now until the potatoes are done, and then I'm going to do a quick release back here. You'll hear it in just in a minute. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, there it goes. It's done. So I'm going to turn it off. I'm going to turn this to venting. Okay, so there it goes. All right, now I'm going to take the lid off. Remember to always, when you take the lid off, take it off away from you, because you can see the steam that comes off of this. Okay. All right, now let me see if these are done. Yes, they are. Very much so. Alright, so that was 8 minutes. I probably could have done these in 5. Alright, so I'm not sure how I'm going to do this. I didn't want to mess up a lot of dishes. That's why I'm doing this in my Ninja Foodi. But I've got 1 bouillon cube that I'm going to put right there in my potatoes. I am going to go on. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do these on 0. On the 0, I'm going to bring it up to pressure so it will cook the meat or whatever. This sauerkraut smells horrible. Oh my gosh. Alright, so here's my thing of sauerkraut. I'm going to go on and put this on top of these potatoes. Alright. And I'm hoping that this is going to be enough liquid in here. I think it should be enough liquid in here. Let me get a spoon. Alright. Alright, so I'm going to put that in there. And then I'm going to put the smoked sausage on top of here. Alright. And then I just got some of this red hot red hot original seasoning blend. It says for meat, fries, popcorn, and veggies. I'm going to go on and sprinkle some of that. Well, I took the piece off. I didn't get it all the way off. I just got this seasoning today, so I'm kind of want to see. I'm not going to put very much because I'm sure that it's going to put some heat in there. Maybe a half a teaspoon of that. All right. And then I'm going to put some pepper in here. All right. I've got my little spoon here. All right. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this back. Nope, not that one. I'm going to put this back on here. If I can get it. There it goes. Alright, now I'm going to change it to sealing. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go pressure. Let's see, how am I going to do this? Pressure, high, start. All right, now that's going to be 0, and that should heat up the sauerkraut and the smoked sausage. And when this comes back down from pressure, I'm going to do an immediate release of the pressure, and I will bring y'all back then, and we're going to see what this tastes like. Okay, y'all. All right, so here it is. I have got a slice of, I put butter on bread, and I eat it, just a piece of plain butter bread, but I've got this Sara Lee artisanal, whatever bread it is, whatever the name of it is, artisanal. Anyway, I have never had this before. Ashley's always telling me how good it is, so I just went on and got a loaf of it on my Kroger pickup, and I'm gonna see what this tastes like. And All right, so here's my potatoes. It's still pretty hot. Y'all, I'll go in and eat a. You can see these hot dogs or smoked sausage came out pretty good looking. All right. Extremely hot. Extremely hot. Ooh, hot, not spicy, but hot as in hot. All right, yeah. I've got to let this cool off. Oh, I want to taste this bread. It's a thicker bread than most breads. Ashley said this was her favorite, and that really is good. All right, y'all, so this is one of the meals. I have my grandchildren this weekend, so this is one of the meals that I'm fixing for them tonight. I hope that they like it. So now I've got to fix something for breakfast tomorrow, and I've got to cut up some. It's Mother's Day weekend, and I'm sure the kids will come over this weekend to see me. So, but anyway, I'm going to get off of here and eat my lunch, and I hope you like this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and to Instagram. And also there will be different links of things that you can purchase at Amazon, and doesn't cost any more. It's just links, and it's like I get a few cents off of anything that y'all may purchase there. And so I hope you have a good day, and happy Mother's Day, everyone.